Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. This is a part 2 to a 2-part series of recreating some of the Magnolia Home pieces from their website. I have really enjoyed getting inspired by the Magnolia Home line. There were definitely pieces on there that were difficult, and trying to come up with different ways to still achieve what it was I was looking for was a challenge that I was so happy to accept. I have thoroughly enjoyed both of these videos, all of the creations from the Magnolia Home line. I love each and every single one of them and have them all displayed throughout my home already. For today's video in particular, our part 2, I have taken 2 crocks that I found at my local thrift store and created beautiful vases that look just like they do in the Magnolia Home line. I am blown away by how similar, how truly easy that both of these were, and the outcome is beautiful. Please make sure that you like this part 2 video, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're ready to see how I put my own spin on the Magnolia Home creation, come on with me. Let's go create. So what I'm trying to make sure I do is apply this almost like a little aggressively. Let me see if I can turn the other way so that you can see what I'm doing. So I get a fairly decent amount of the molding paste and the paint on my hand, and then I'm going to come in here and just aggressively move this around. What I'm looking for are gaps. So there's a gap right in here from this bottom layer to this top layer. And you're only gonna get that if you apply it. See, like even this like raised up, hopefully the sun is showing, this like raised up area. So it's a little bit different than the Magnolia Home, but I'm looking for this. And the only way I'm gonna get it for what I want is to do that like aggressive, lots of it on your hand, move it around really fast. That's the only way I'm gonna get that desired look that I want. So let me get some more. So good healthy portion on there and not on the bottom. And I'm just going to, you can see I'm kind of like scooping and dragging. That's what I'm looking for, that aggressive scoop, drag, pulls. And we are gonna do probably some sort of a second layer with this. Anything that's kind of showing through, especially like down here on the bottoms, like when we do that second layer, it's gonna cover all that up. But do you see like the pulls, this area here? Just love it. I think it's so pretty. And this color is really just it. And I'm seeing what the bottom is. It keeps touching on the canvas here, on the tarp here. So, all right, I'm gonna move it over to the drying rack and then we're gonna walk through the top portion together. Aren't they already looking so much nicer? I'm loving this color and the texture is just exactly what I'm looking for. So I got another big scoop and I'm just gonna go around trying to cover pretty generously in this first layer. Even like there's a big crack in this one, which I love. I think it just adds life and character and just so much. I think it's a cool little feature. Like this one's nice and cracked on that side. Just gonna go all the way around the top. And where it kind of lips, I'm like making it go on a little bit thicker so it'll fill in some of that area. And if I accidentally touch like my main portion of the vase, or of the crock rather, I'm going back over with my hands and putting it in the direction that I wanted it to go. So here's the first layer. They are both looking perfect. I am loving how these are starting out. We will check back in when we do layer 2. So the Magnolia Home pots on the website have like a sandy like texture to both of them. So I'm gonna add some sand to the modeling paste for the second coat. That way, hopefully we also get some of that texture that will look like the pots from the Magnolia Home. So we're gonna test it out. Here we go, adding sand. So here is our final piece up front and center. And did I not tell you that these things are gorgeous? Or did I not tell you that they are gorgeous? I am so happy with how these turned out. I just have one in front of me today. The other one is already set up over there, ready for showing off. I am just so happy with how these turned out. I think anybody can do this. They are everything. I did not paint them inside, so water can be applied and real flowers be put in, or real stems, so you can use it still as a true vessel. I was so happy to make this creation. I wanted to have its own video because I'm truly just so happy with the outcome. Before you leave, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.